Hello and welcome to the IELTS speaking exam. My name is Lee and I'll be your examiner for today. What is your full name, please? And where are you from? Can I see your identification, please? Okay, thank you. Now we can begin. In the first part of the exam, I would like to ask some questions about yourself. And first, let's talk about weather. How would you describe the weather today? And what is your favorite thing to do on a sunny day? What do you do when it rains? Which do you prefer, hot weather or cold weather? Okay, now let's talk about public holidays. What is the most important public holiday in your country? What do you like to do during public holidays? Do you like short or long holidays? If you have a 3-day holiday, what will you do? Now let's talk about watches. Do you like to wear watches? Do you think watches are old-fashioned? Why do people like to wear expensive watches? Is it important to be on time in your country? Okay, that is the end of part 1. Now we'll move on to part 2. In part 2, I would like you to speak about a topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You will have 1 minute to prepare notes, and here is a pen and paper so that you can write your notes. So here is your topic. I will give you 1 minute to prepare, starting now. Your topic is describe a recent news story that surprised you. Okay, that is 1 minute. I would like you to begin speaking. Don't worry if I stop you. Please describe a recent news story that surprised you. Okay, and which do you prefer? Reading newspapers or watching the news on TV? Okay, thank you. That is the end of part 2. Now we'll move on to part 3 of the speaking exam. So we've been talking about the news, and I'd like to ask you some more questions related to this. Do you believe everything you see in the news? What are the best ways to find out about the news? Do you think it is important to know about world news? How have the ways people get the news changed in the last 50 years? Should the government control what can be shown in the news? How will newspapers and news channels change in the future? Okay, thank you. That is the end of part 3, and that is the end of the speaking exam. Goodbye.